OpenAI's O1 is the craziest thing I've ever seen, guys. Look at what I just created all with AI. I made my own ChatGPT O1 chatbot literally using all AI, using the ChatGPT O1 preview model. I just literally ask the questions, make this, and guess what? I have my own ChatGPT O1 mini chatbot right here. And guess what's even crazier is I asked it to create a snake game with Python using code, and I got the code. So let's look at what I just built with AI inside of this AI chatbot. So here is the code from my AI created chatbot, and it made this Python game. So this is like AI Inception. Look at this, guy. This is crazy. So if you watch the whole video, you'll see exactly how crazy this is. All right, my snake game movements, garbage, but basically this was created in my AI chatbot that I created with AI. So it's like AI inside of AI, inside of AI. And check this out. I'll show you guys even the cool part too. This is what we're going to show you that I built. I'll refresh this. It's literally ChatGPT using the O1 mini model. So it's even cheaper. It's going to be like, hey, what's good? What's 2 plus 2? Look at this. Look at this. It's going to reply to me. I even got profile pictures. I'm like a little animal right here. What else can you add me? Tell me a funny, hold on, a funny joke. Look, it's literally ChatGPT O1 mini, and I use ChatGPT O1 preview to build my own ChatGPT. And then after I use the ChatGPT that I just built, I made another code project with it. Like, bro, this is literally crazy. Like, you have no idea how insane this is. Stay tuned to the video, see exactly how I did it. Today, I'm going to test out how powerful ChatGPT's latest model, O1, is for coding. So if you are not aware, they just released this yesterday. I've already messed around it with basic code. However, this is going to be the first time I'm testing this out with some more complicated coding questions. And I'm going to see, is it actually able to replace a lot of the coding required to make some projects? Well, today, let's try this out. So, first off, I'm going to start off with the O1 preview. I have seen some people have used the O1 mini, and it seems to have a better result, but we'll use this one until it blocks me from using messages, because I believe there's like a 30 limit to, it was said per week, which I think that's like crazy. That means I'll be done by today, but we'll see. Anyway, let's get into this, and I want to say write code for an AI chatbot similar to ChatGPT and use Next JS and OpenAI API. Give instructions step by step as if someone who is brand new to coding were to follow. Let me see, follow. And is that even correct? What does it matter? I'll keep it going. Follow and make it simple, but also the design look. Make the design look modern and sleek. And the grammar, obviously, I'm just doing this freestyling, but let's see if AI can do this. And let us make sure. So we have Next.js, OpenAI API. Also, oh yeah, I want to include in this. I want to be able to type in a question, and then it gives me the response back using the AI. Also, I want the inputs. Let me make sure I put this right. The inputs to have a profile pic, just like in ChatGPT. For the responses. All right, so we'll keep it like this for now, and let's see, is it possible to create a full working AI application? Well, here we go. Thinking time. If this does work, this is going to be really amazing. But for now, let's see here. Okay, so it says Node.js, NPM, Visual Studio Code, OpenAI. And now we got Next JS project. Okay, so starting step 1, npx create next app, and then you see the Intuits. Okay, interesting. So I've actually already did that here. So this is a Next JS project. Let me controls. Hold on. Close this terminal real quick. Let's do this. It says npm install OpenAI, and see Tailwind. I mean, I'm pretty sure Tailwind's already, but let's just keep this for now. Hold on, let me check the package JSON real quick. Yeah, I already got Tailwind, so I don't have to do that. I'll skip this. Open Tailwind, places content with this. Okay, let's see. Is there a Tailwind config file right there with the code? Let's see. SRC components. So // pages. So it has a different file structure, but I'll just ignore that for right now. And then styles, where's this at? Styles should be here. I just have global CSS. Yeah, okay. So that stuff's already there. So I mean, this is using, I think, October 2023. So technically, I wouldn't expect to be updated. But okay, so here, create an environment file to securely store API key in the root repository file .env.local, and then open your API. So root, let's just go to root, right click, new file .env. And for right now, we'll keep this as it says here, OpenAI key. I'll copy this, place your API here, which I will need to go and get that later, which we will do. And in case you don't know, you do this because of safety. You don't want to show that publicly. And let's see here. Okay. Pages index.js. So create a new file, pages / index.js. So right now, I think this is gonna be interesting because at least we already have this page file right here. I should have specified it and said use the default, but I mean, again, since this is not fully updated, I can just keep this. Let me make sure the imports are correct. Yes, using status clients, home. Yup. So we might have to do a little bit tweaking, but for right now, let's do this. Let's delete this, paste this here. And of course, that's not going to show because that is not added yet. Okay, and then add a profile picture. So public users and then public bots. Okay, so now we go in the public. And I don't even think we have a public file or folder here. So we could actually just make one. Let's just do that. But let me see. Let me make sure the layout too, which I want to make sure before we go in here. But what we could technically, I can ask that, because again, so if someone, I try to make it to where if you're watching this and you have no idea any code, you could kind of replicate this. But since it's saying things like the folder structure, it's going to be difficult to figure that out. But let's just go here and I'll skip that for right now because the images, like we can deal with that later. And then here, create the API route to interact with OpenAI. So see Next.js, pages, API if it doesn't exist. So the thing is with at least Next, you can just do it like right away. So we can just say, or I mean, that would be a route technically. Let's just try it like this first. Let's see, what does it say to make? I'll just say API. Yeah, let's go here. API. Technically, this. What am I doing? Hold on. Whoa. Let me see. API.tsx. But technically, that should have been yeah, it should be the. Yeah, I see. Okay. I see what you're saying. Okay, so go here. This will just be the folder here. So I'll put API. New file. This one. Chat. It should be chat.tsx. Didn't specify, but it's pretty much the same. All right, so here, let's go and copy this code. Go here, paste this in, and then let's make sure we look at this code. Okay, OpenAI. Here we go. And looking shows error message, and it's using the 3.5 turbo, which I mean, I can update this later, but according to the free model, at least right now, I think this was the one that he stated that is the latest. I think the 4.0 you gotta pay, but either way, I think you have to add your information anyways. Let's see here. I think styling and index. Let's see here. Place existing code. Sorry, look, blah 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 blah. Add profile picture to messages. Let's see here. Okay, the message rendering part of pages index. User uses that in PNG class, and then it says run it. So that's literally all I have to do is replace it with your API key, and then where's this saying on the index JS? So technically that's their page. What does it say? Rendering part img. Let's see. It should be somewhere over here. Yeah. So dot. It should. Let me see. Hold on. If I were to create a see, technically, if I go like this, slash, so I could have just put it on the main, so it doesn't even make any sense. User.png. Let me actually, what I can do. All right, so I'm on Gemini right now. Let's just say generate a profile pic. I believe it doesn't allow humans, at least right now. But we'll see. If it does it, I'll just pick some like random square. Or I might just take a screenshot of something. Oh yeah. Generate a random logo. And you're like, why am I using Gemini's? I mean, technically, I haven't even messed around. I don't want to change it right now. I don't want to mess up my my workflow right here. All right, so let me see some random logos. I'll download that. All right, cool. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Let's see. Make another animated avatar here. So let's see. This is probably better for the profile. All right, cool. Yep. All right, that looks better. I'll do generate more. And while that is doing its thing, we can make a let's make a folder here. I mean, I could just say images too, but it's whatever. And then let's do. I'll add the files here. So boom. Oh yeah, let me add that real quick. So I got this. Let me rename this. This could be me. I'll change that to JPEG. That's fine. And then this can be the bot. Let's see, page. Let's go here. So I do just slash now. Tell me I gotta go into src slash. And see, now we're going into the app slash. Yeah, so I should have just put it. Why did I put it on here? Let me make it outside. Yeah, okay, let's try that out. Slash. And no, it should be user dot JPEG. And then let's do this one. Should be just bot. Bots. All right, fine. Okay, we'll tweak that later if the file's wrong, whatever. It doesn't matter. We'll fix that later. But what I have to do now is let's see here. It's not someone type never. Okay, cool, whatever. All right, let me change this real quick. All right, so let's go back here. That's fine. We'll change that. The one thing I need to do is add my API key. So the thing is, this is assuming you know where to get one. So let me actually go ahead and get my API key real quick. So to get the API key, you need to go to platform.openai.com/API keys. So this is my dashboard here, API key. And all you need to do is just create a new secret key, which I've already done. Now I have mine, so let me copy that real quick. Bring that over to my .env file. Then you'll replace it like this. Save it. And I'm not going to show you my entire one right now, but technically this is a tutorial, so I can always delete it afterwards. But now we have some error messages. So let's try this first. Let's do npm run dev. Let's click here. And let's see what errors we got. Okay, so first off, importing quantity is use state. None of the parents are marked with use client. So yeah, we have to. Yeah, I think it's using the old outdated part. Let's do use client now. Okay. All right. So now I think this is gonna have issues because the I can see here. But for now, let's try this, and let's say hi. So right now the fonts, you can see it made a chat an input, and I can type in the word hi. The problem is the text is like you can't see it. So let me hit send. And it showcases there as missing an image. Now the problem right now is the response. So I think right now this image is not getting picked up. Let's change the where is it? Let me see if this fixes my image issue. Yeah, there we go. So I don't know why I put, what am I thinking? I'm tripping. You should know again, I didn't have to put public. I don't know why I did that. I'm tripping out. But anyway, okay. There we go. So now, so this is working. We got the profile, which is me, the user. It says hi, but now the problem is when I respond, it's not responding. So it could be that the API key isn't being, let me check if I see any issues. The API chat, let's see here. Backdate token, so localhost. So let's do this. Okay, first of all, let me refresh this, make sure that these are the fresh. All right, so yeah. Hello, send. All right, so it's saying localhost 3000 API / chat not found. And then syntax error expected token. All right, so now what we can do is, first of all, let me go here. I'm gonna paste these two errors. So the chat input form is showing, and when I type text, it displays showing what I typed with the user profile pic. However, there is no response from the bots, and I see these two errors in the console. So I'm gonna paste this error 1. So here, and then error 2. And let's see, uncaught. Let's see if I can copy. All right, yeah, we'll keep it like this. Make sure I paste this in. And then, all right, let's go back. Close this out real quick. Wait, what is this saying? It said don't paste code. It gave me some error. All right, whatever. We'll ignore that for now. So now, the other issue. All right, so let's check out layout. No, I don't have anything on layout. What am I doing? Hold on. Chat. See the rest. OpenAI. So this could be the issue. Here is my the way I imported this. All right, so let me show. I'll show the folder structure. My folder structure is src/app/API, and then I put /chat.tsx, and then let's see what it's saying here. Modern OpenAI has no exported member conversion. Did you mean to use import conversion from OpenAI instead? And then let's see here. Yeah, so those aren't obviously working here. OpenAI API. So let's see what this says. The configuration OpenAI. Oh yeah, here. Ports shows red line highlights from TSX. Also the requests and response, I'm pretty sure. And then on page, let's do on line 13, and then on my page.tsx, line 13, messages and user message have the red lines, and 26, line 26 as well. Line 26. How can I fix this to make it where the bot replies to my chats? So from here, I'm pretty sure it's just at least I'm guessing it's my API is not connected properly, which I'm pretty sure it doesn't make sense because I didn't. Pretty sure I'm missing something. But I'm trying to use the AI mainly to do this. So first of all, this env. Let me check. This might be off right here. I'm pretty sure. So let me. I'm tripping. This isn't even. Hold on. Did I add this? No, wait. Let me go back and check. Let's go back and check again. See, we got a bunch of new code. Okay. Let's see. Wait, is this new? Hold on. Where's my original code? Okay, yeah, to display. Yeah, okay, so here are my errors. Okay. So the post not found, and the API route is not found. So that makes sense. And then 2 is uncommon promise response to JSON is actually HTML. Okay, fine. Okay, let's see. Folder structure. And the operator in JS. Yup. Yeah, we're using page router. So initiate app difference. Routes.ts and place inside a folder that manages your routes. Okay, so API file name should be routes.ts, and then code needs proper type. Yup. All right, so let's change this now to because I never see like chats. Doesn't make any sense. So let's do route.ts x here, and then let's see correcting API routes. So it should be src app API chat. Okay, so it should be an API then a chat folder. Yeah, that makes more sense. So now new folder. This will be chat. Let me make sure. I'll just say chat like this. And then I'll put route inside this. Okay, so now we got this inside of the chat folder. And then, let's see, update it. I'm just going to copy this straight because I'm guessing they have refactored everything. Boom. So that part's still red, so we'll fix that. And then import the next server and use next response. Okay. Export async. All right, fixing TypeScript errors. Page. Yeah, okay. So, top of your page, text define an interface for your messages. All right. So on top of the page, let's go here. Let's see this. Now maybe that should be on the. Well, first, hold on. Save this real quick, and then update the state hooks. All right. So let's see. Use state. What is this? Input and messages sent. It should be. Is this not the same? Input messages sent. Okay, string. And then, okay, yeah, so now that shows up highlighted. And then update send message function. Let's see. Ensure your send message function uses message. So this is send message async. Where's my send message function? Const user message. Is that in the hold on. Let me see. Where did he put the ensure your send message function? Where's my send message? Do I have a send message function? Oh, it's right here. My bad. I'm tripping. I put it right here. Ooh, okay. Gone. Okay, it's fixed right there. And then event handlers. All right, so this is on let's see, input e-targets. Where's my hold on, let me see. It should be input. So let's see, try this out here. So I'm guessing, yeah, this will be border P2. Yep. All right, so here we go. Now we replace this one. Okay. Should OpenAI type correctly. Yep. So let me check package JSON real quick. Yeah, we got OpenAI here. TypeScript. Okay, knowledge cutoff don't exist. Declare the module, but the OpenAI package on TypeScript should be necessary. Ensure your end log set up correctly. Root your project. All right, let me make sure that I put dot and local real quick. And then let's see what else. Testing the route directly. So we could use Postman, But actually, yeah, let's do that. Technically, we could do that. Curl post application, the hello, and then also restarting, and then rest front end API. I'll go send the front end by making send message, current response, API chat, message, chan. Okay. So this is the final. So first off, let's just try this out real quick. So let me close it out first. PM run dev. And I'll refresh this. Let's try it out again. All right, so now it's saying here, OpenAI is not exported from OpenAI, and then configuration is not exported from OpenAI. So yeah, the API is not being connected with this setup. And then also if I hit console right here, let me see, response, error fetching the data. Yup. Okay, app index. So I'm like 99% sure this will work if I just get this to connect with this route here. So this part is not connected for some reason, but it should be parse that in. All right, let me just fix this real quick. Here's routes. Yeah, everything looks good here. Turbo. That should be connecting because it's named. So this is the only error right now, that is these two are saying it's not exported. So I'm gonna say this is the error I receive when I type in the input form, and let us see if it does its magic. So here it is. It's saying they think it's OpenAI is not using the package they're doing. So let's see. Okay, check install packages. Okay, npm list OpenAI. You should see something like this. All right, let's go like this. Let's test it out. OpenAI 4.61.0. And you see OpenAI, where actually no version is all good. If you see an older version, dash empty. That's what it's showing here. You see an older version, 0 or 2 when you update it, and then it's like latest. Check for the conflict in here. Yeah, so I think it's still using like outdated stuff there. And then let's see, chat, share statements, route TSX are correct. Yeah, SRC app API chat, SRC app API chat, routes, and then update this code. .env .openai key. Let me see. Should replace. Hold on. This is the part. Let's do npm run dev. It could be because it's using an outdated version of what is the, hold on. I think there's a 3.5 somewhere. Let me check. Yeah, so it's asking this model right here, model. Let me check real quick. Yeah, so it has this one, GPT-3.5, that's turbo, which is fine. Should be in place. Oh, okay, so let's change it. This one should be here. Paste. Then refresh here. All right, I think, let me do something here. Let me just close this out and see what happens. Creation, okay, yeah. So this code is still wrong. So it looks like it's unable to fix this one issue. For my .env file, do I need to export or change anything? or just have it say OpenAI underscore API underscore key equals to my secret key. Let's see if this fixes anything. So here it's saying that the package has been updated. Yeah, which it is. And then let's see here. Order your code to match a new library, blah, blah, blah. Let's try this, which I'm like 99% sure that's what happened. But then that means that this code would change too then with this. It should be this one. Save it. And that should be, all right, place with completion await. Okay. So this is different. And that's the routes. Oh, I can just, okay, this is nice. This is nice. Or you can just you can basically just go here. I don't have to do any of that typing. It just does it all for me. And then what else? TypeScript. Don't need that. Yeah, that's what I thought. Is pretty much here. Yep. Endpoint. Wait, hold on. Make sure everything else. This one thing. This is the one change right here. This one. So let's let me make sure. No, wait, it did already. All right, let's try this now. Let me say hi again. And I say here, you see your current quota, please check your current billing data plan. What happened here? Okay. All right, let's close this out real quick. PM run dev. Refresh. Let me say hi. But it's using all right, now it just stopped working. Hold up. All right, now we go. You see your current quota, please check billing data. All right, so let me change this to it should be where's it at? This one. Almost there, guys. Let's see if this fixes it. Now I hope, let's see, okay. Close it out now. How is it insufficient? I have my all right, let me copy this real quick. Let's go here. Type hi in the inputs. It gives me this error, which let's see what it tells me. It says insufficient quota, but I mean, I have my card linked. Let's see. Too many requests, error type insufficient quota, exceed your current quota, let's change. API players refusing project requests, your account has run out of current quota requests. Share your using correct API key, yep. Top right corner, user down menu. View user stats, see if your free trial, you know, user credits, your pay plan. Okay, so now let's go here. And let's see. It says go to dashboard, which I'm here. Go to my usage. And I have a limit. There's like nothing here. Just recorders, you continue using API. Let's check out the rate limits for the GPT-4, which I think technically I don't think I can even use. I think they have there was a limit on this model. Where is it at? Oh yeah, here it is. Free tier rate limits. Diffuse rate limits per count. So I think where's it at for the? So I went to billing. I already had my card, but I didn't add a credit. So this, I just put $5 here. So and now, let us try this one last time. Let me clear this out. Refresh. Hold on. PM run dev. And refresh here. And now, moment of truth. It still says I have insufficient quota. Doesn't make sense. I have credit limit here. All right, so I think I figured out the issue with the quota is, so I went back to the API. Where's my API at? I'm tripping. All right, so I went back to dashboard API keys. I made another key. So this way, after I paid the credits, it's using the other key now. So when I go back and I say, hey, take a look at this, it replies, and it's using the GPT-4o mini according to this. Now, the one thing I don't like is this input text. So again, with the frame in mind, like if you know just a little bit of code, copy and pasting, you could make this. I'm gonna say, okay, the inputs text color is too light. How to make it darker? And let me say text color when I type is too light. How to make it darker? That, and I mean, I could have used probably the regular GPT-4o, I think. Or what is the name of it? 4o, yeah, GPT-4o. But it is what it is. Since this is utilizing the previous thing, let's see if it fixes. Because the one thing I hate with these AI models is if you type like questions 1 through 3, and then you ask the number 4, and it just starts hallucinating, and it says something completely random. All right, let's see here. It looks pretty much right there. So class border, gray. All right, so updated input field. Let's change it. So it's literally just this text black, which is right. Page input. Where is this at? Pretty sure it's this one. Let me just put text black. Yep, it is. So technically I didn't need to use it, but again, if you are never done this before, this is really, like, it literally does everything for you. Like, it's actually kind of crazy. Now, we're not done yet. Check this out. We're going to use GPT-4o preview, which we got here. And now I have, if I go to routes, I have GPT-4o mini inside of this. I'm going to say, I already seen a video, but I've never actually tried this myself. And we're kind of doing like a project inside of a project, like project inception. I want to see if this can do it because I myself haven't really coded in Python. So what I'm going to say is write code for a snake game and make it good and playable and easy for me to follow and set up myself for someone who knows little code. Boom. And let's see, let's do this. I'm gonna see if it actually replies, which right now doesn't look like it's replying, but oh snap, it is. Okay, so that is the only difference. You need to install, which is a library built in Python. So I want to see, so this is an issue. I want to see if it's possible. Let me go back. Let's change this again. I want to make it to where when it replies, it has like code blocks. So let's see if that's a feature we can add. Because right now this thing is, bro, oh my gosh, I probably used up all my credits writing out this message. All right, let's go back. Hold on. Okay. Let's say, all right, my computer be lagging, fam. All right, hold on. How can I make the responses from the bot? Let's see the bots. Put code like code in copy in blocks that are easy to copy, just like in regular ChatGPT, because Right now it responds. I might type responds with a large paragraph that's difficult to read. All right, so if this can do this in this one prompt, this is going to be absolutely insane. But I'm already happy with this result right here. And this took what? Like not even 1 hour. If I were to do this again, like, because I did it now one time, I could legitimately do this, not even playing, probably less than like 10 minutes. All right, so now let's see what ChatGPT 01 says. Preview version. So here's tell me to use React Markdown. Okay, so let's see here. Let's do install this. Markdown components, support GitHub Markdown files, re-highlights here, render. Let me read through this code real quick, and then highlight here, highlight styles, yup. Converting properly. All right, so now there is a bunch of there's a bunch of code here actually. So I think the only thing I need to do is literally install. Let's install this. Let's see if this works. Because if this works, this is going to be crazy. All right, so let's go here. Where's it at? All right, let's install this. And if you guys want me to make a video from scratch, like coding this, like basically line by line, let me know. Because I think it's going to be a little bit easier to understand it. But if you don't care, you just want to build an app, I mean, like, bro, this literally is working right now. Like, if this was in a code block, man, that'd be crazy. All right, so now let's go here. And it says these are step-by-steps, but I'm pretty sure this is the only difference. Is updated code. What is in this? This is let me just double check, because it's telling me right here I can just copy this entire thing for TypeScript. Yep. Let's see. Okay, it's significantly more. This is what is this? This is the page. Let's go here. Delete, paste. Let's go here. Let's try this. Hopefully I didn't miss anything else. And then refresh. Alright, see, importing a point, I need to use states. Oh, I gotta use client my top. 1 second. Use client. This should work now. All right, let's say hi first off. See if it's working. Images stop working. That's fine. Write this in a code block. Hello world. Oh, okay. All right, let's do this. Can I copy it? Yeah, I can copy it. Let's do this. Let's see if this works. All right, so there's issues right here. What happened? Oh, my fault. I didn't mean to do that. Let's see. What about this? Write this in a code block. Oh, whoa, okay. It did it. Oh my god, it did it. Okay, the only thing different now is why is the... Alright, this doesn't look like it's working, but whatever. We'll fix that. And now the only issue now is the, I guess this path. Oh, it's supposed to be JPEG. Yeah, JPEG. Oh, this is crazy. Oh my god, this is crazy. So this right here, I guess, property line does not exist on this type. So that's interesting here. Let's do, I mean, right now it looks like it's working fine. So if I were to say this again, we'll worry about that later. Let's do this. Okay, let's refresh this first. Okay. All right, so now let's test this out and see if this actually works. Let's do something a lot simpler because I think the snake game might be a lot of code, but let's do this. Write code for a simple snake game. Make it very basic but working and easy to set up for someone who has never coded. Write the code in a code block too. Let us see if this can do its magic. So look at this. We got all this code right here. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Look at this. What? All right, so now we gotta test this out. So I gotta make another window. New window. Bro, this is like code inception. Like, this is hilarious right now. All right, so I need to make first of all, it didn't tell me, but I'm guessing let's just make it like let's see here. All right, so it's telling me again, this I haven't used Python like much, so I'm gonna see if this this instruction works. Here, install this. So put in your global package. I don't care. All right, let's do this. Let's go here, copy all of this code. All right, so make sure you have Python installed. Let's copy this code in here. Snake, yeah, same thing. And then now let's try this Python snake .py. All right, so hold on. I'm saying, you don't have Python installed? I should have it, right? Am I tripping? All right, so let's say this. It says command when I type. Again, this is assuming you haven't coded. I mean, I've used Python before, but not. It's been a minute. But let's say I type. Let's use snake_game.py. Or I type in Python snake. It says this. So let's see if my chatbot that I built can give me an answer. I should have Python. Do I not have Python? I'm pretty positive I have Python. Hold on. Dash version. I don't have Python? What happened? I guess I think that's why. It's Python 3, my fault. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm pretty sure. Snake.py. Yes, here we go. Alright. Cancel's fine. Alright, look at this. Look at this, bro. Alright, hold on. See again. Alright, this game kind of hard. Bro, this is this is crazy. This is crazy, bro. I can't believe this. This is crazy. I literally built a OpenAI chatbot and then coded a game using the chatbot that we built with OpenAI. Like, bro, what is this? What is this? All right, this is crazy. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos of what's possible with this. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.